Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, offering expertise in India's future ready combat vehicle, that is FRCV program. Kalyani Group, a leading Indian defense and aerospace conglomerate, has expressed its interest in participating in the development of the future ready combat vehicle program. This ambitious project aims to replace the Indian Army's aging fleet of T-72 main battle tanks with next-generation 55-ton vehicles starting in 2030. Next, unveiling LAMV and PMV by Tata Advanced Systems. The Tata Advanced Systems Limited has unveiled details and specifications for 2 new armored vehicles programs, showcasing its commitment to innovate in the Indian defense sector. These vehicles, the LAMV, Light Armored Multipurpose Vehicle, and the Protected Mobility Vehicle, cater to the diverse operational needs of the armed forces. Next, opening of new Carl Gustaf manufacturing facility in India by SAAB. SAAB, a Swadeshi defense and security company, officially inaugurated the location of its new Carl Gustaf manufacturing facility in Jhajjar, Haryana, India on Monday. The groundbreaking ceremony was attended by Hakan Jeverel, State Secretary for International Development Cooperation and Foreign Trade, Jan Thesleff, Sweden's ambassador to India, Mats Palmberg, Chairman and Managing Director of SAAB India, and Gorgen Johansson, Head of SAAB Business Area Dynamics. This marks a significant milestone in SAAB's long-standing collaboration with India, which begins in 1976. The new facility, built under the 100% foreign direct investment route, will be the first of its kind for Carl Gustaf production. Next, announcement of 750 crore scheme to boost innovation in defense technology. The Ministry of Defense has launched a major initiative to propel India's defense sector towards self-reliance and technological prowess. The acing development of innovative technologies with IDEX scheme boasts a dedicated corpus of 750 crore over a 3-year period, that is 2023-24 to 2025-26. Next, MoU signed for the development of advanced fueling and control systems, that is AFCS, for engines for heavy duty applications. Ministry of Defense has signed a AAA Memorandum of Understanding with BEML Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, and Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited for indigenous development of advanced fueling and control systems for engines for heavy-duty applications. The MoU was inked with Chairman and Managing Director BEML Limited Shri Shantanu Roy, CMD Midhani Dr. S.K. Jha, and CMD BEL Shri Bhanu Prakash Srivastav in the presence of Defense Secretary Shri Giridhar Aramane in New Delhi on March 4th. Next, ISRO prepares backup landing sites for Gaganyaan mission astronauts. ISRO has prioritized astronaut safety by identifying 48 international water locations as backup splashdown sites for the Gaganyaan mission, according to senior officials involved in the project. While the primary landing zone for the mission module in the Arabian Sea, where Indian rescue teams will be stationed, unforeseen circumstances during the mission could necessitate an alternative landing location. Next, DRDO submits report on dual-use equipment seized from Pak-bound ship. In the case of the seizure of suspicious items being shipped from China for possible use in Pakistan's nuclear weapon program, a Defense Research and Development Organization team on Monday submitted its official report to the competent authority, said government sources. According to the report by the DRDO experts, the seized large-size computer numerical control matches are dual-use equipment and can be used for military applications, the sources added. Next. Maldives to get free military assistance from China amid row with India. China on Monday signed a defense cooperation agreement with the Maldives to provide free delivery assistance to foster stronger bilateral ties, weeks after President Mohamed Muizzu set a deadline for the withdrawal of the first group of Indian military personnel from his island nation. Next. PM Modi witnesses core landing at prototype fast breeder reactor in Tamil Nadu. India is a step away from entering the second stage of the nuclear program with the initiation of core loading at the home-built 500 megawatt prototype fast breeder reactor here, a move described as historic by the government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi witnessed the initiation of core loading at the prototype fast breeder reactor, which generates more power than it consumes and uses the nuclear waste uranium-238 as fuel. Next. Rajnath to address naval commandos and witness twin aircraft carrier operations. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and top commanders of the Indian Navy will carry out a comprehensive review of India's maritime security challenges at a key conclave on board one of the two aircraft carriers of the Navy in the Arabian Sea on Tuesday. On the first day of the biennial Naval Commanders Conference, Singh will also witness combat prowess of aircraft carriers INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya in a twin carrier operation that is aimed at projecting India's growing naval prowess, officials said. Thank you.